To make the nose, we are going to chain 5. We're going to work into the back bumps of our chain. We're going to make 2 slip stitches, a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Let's lay our yarn onto our hand, loop it around our pinky, over our index finger. Now we're going to make our slip knot. Loop around your middle finger. Take that loop off. While you're holding it in place, take your hook, put it in back to front. Yarn over, pull through, and now grab a hold of this yarn tail and pull. Don't pull too tight because we're going to need to get through this loop while we're making our chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain stitches. We're going to be using these back bumps. We're going to do 2 slip stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. We're going to put our hook underneath this first bump right here, and we're going to yarn over, and we've got 2 loops on our hook. We're going to use our hook to pull this loop through this one, and that's our slip stitch. Let's do it again. Next stitch, yarn over, pull through, pull through. There's our 2 slip stitches. Now we have our single crochet, and now for our half double crochet, we're going to yarn over before we go into this next stitch. So we're yarning over. I'm holding on to that stitch to keep it on my hook as I put it into this next stitch. I'm going to yarn over again, and now I've got 3 loops on the hook. I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to pull through all 3 loops on the hook, and that's our half double crochet. Our last stitch is a double crochet. So again, we're going to yarn over before we put our hook into this next stitch. In it goes, yarn over, pull through. So now we've got those same 3 loops on the hook, but now we're only going to pull through these first 2. So now we have 2 loops left on the hook. We're going to yarn over one last time and pull through. That's our double crochet. So we have our slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and our double crochet. And our nose is complete. So all we have to do now is cut our yarn tail, because we're going to need to sew it to our face. Grab our hook and pull the yarn tail through, and that secures our yarn. And now it's ready to be sewn onto the face.